In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PolyBuzz Full Guide. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type PolyBuzz and press enter. From the results, click the official PolyBuzz website. You'll know you're in the right place when you land on a clean homepage with categories tailored for you. This is where PolyBuzz showcases a wide range of characters you can interact with. On this page, you'll see different styles and themes. If you're into stylized visuals, choose the anime category to browse characters designed with that flair. Prefer something edgier? You can explore mafia-inspired personalities for dramatic story-driven chats. You can also filter by male or female to match your preference, and there's a celebrity category if you're curious about public figure-style personas. Use these collections to quickly find a character vibe that fits the conversation you want. If you want something uniquely yours, you can generate a character from scratch. Click on Create Character to begin. Then select Create to open the character builder. Here's where the fun customization happens. You can choose whether your character is male or female, write a short intro that describes who they are, and craft a friendly greeting that sets the tone for your first message. Add tags to make your character easier to categorize and discover, and pick a voice that matches their personality. Keep intros concise and clear, use tags that reflect the character's traits or genre, and select a voice that complements the mood you're aiming for, calm and gentle, bold and confident, or anything in between. Once your character is ready, open a chat. Inside the conversation, you can keep things casual, dive into roleplay, unfold a collaborative story, lean into romantic themes, or explore fantasy scenarios, always guided by your preferences and the character's design. Be as specific as you like with context to get the best responses, and remember to keep interactions respectful and safe. For prompts, you might start with, "How did you get your powers or skills?" or "What is your biggest secret?" Direct character-focused questions help the model understand your direction and deliver richer replies. After you send a message, PolyBuzz responds immediately so you can iterate quickly. If the reply doesn't hit the mark, refine your prompt, add a bit of backstory, or restate your goal in plain language. That's the full journey, from discovering characters to creating your own and chatting in real time. Enjoy exploring, personalize thoughtfully, and have fun bringing conversations to life with PolyBuzz.